My life. Boom. Stop. Poof. You're gone. Good thing I know that it came from somebody who drives a big body Benz Mercedes. You're playing with fucking fire, dude. You're watching. You're playing with fire. Anyway, Happy New Year, guys. I hope everyone's having a blessed beginning to their New Year's. To my sister, Angel, Nick, and Lauren, Kit, and Corey, enough is enough, guys. Yeah, it's enough. You can stop trying to take my kid and stop trying to do things that are going to make me respond in a psychological type of way that's going to get me in trouble. You're not going to do it. So Angel, Nick, Lauren, Corey, Happy New Year. Thanks. Enough is enough. You need to stop it. You need to stop it. This is sick. This is sickening. It's enough, Angel, Nick, and Lori, and Corey. All right? Because you're getting to blame, and you're trying to, yes, they're trying to take my kid from me. Yep, Angel and Nick, that's their, allegedly, that's the word on the street, right? You don't think I don't know that you got fucking friends that are in the CPS? That's conflict of interest and malicious prosecution. You're going to break big laws, and I got everything paid attention to. I don't need to sue anybody. I don't like to sue people. You know why? Because I can make my own money as a man in this world. I don't need to take others' money. Legit question. They keep trying to make you look crazy to make themselves look good. Is that it? In my opinion, yes, but it's more so the response so that they can get their team of people to be clipping me so that they can bring it back to court. Be like, look, oh my God, Aaron's, he's losing his mind. Oh, just like Angel did the last time she brought me to court. Yeah. Sat across the thing, was like, I love you so much. And I'm like, yeah. That ain't love. Come on, Zelda. Oh, that's a nice Camaro. No, it didn't damage my house. It was thrown on the porch. Somebody shot and killed a bird, and they threw it on my porch. No, I don't have any restraining orders. Thank you very much. Those all went away. I had 9 of them. What was thrown? A dead bird. Somebody shot a bird and threw it on the porch. And it's got the puncture wound from a shot in it. And it bled out. And they threw it on the porch. And they threw it up against the window. And there's a little bit of the blood right there. But that doesn't happen from a bird flying into a window. That's not what happens when they'll break their necks and they won't even bleed a drop. That was thrown. Nick, Angel, William James Witt, Lauren Kitt and Ganval, Lauren Kitt and William James Witt. You guys need to stop what you're doing. You're going to end up in prison. You're going to end up in prison. Oh, I got it on camera. You're damn right I do. It was a big body Benz. I already know. It was a big body Mercedes Benz that came in and was gawking around last night. I got him on camera. Got his license plate too. Mm-hmm. Enough is enough, though. Angel, Nick, Corey, Lauren, enough is enough. Enough is enough. Stop it. Yes, Marie, a dead bird. Somebody shot and killed a fucking dead bird and threw it on my porch. Threw it up against the house. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. They will catch you. Excuse me. What did you just say to me? They will catch me. Who's they? You talking to me? Like they'll catch me slipping and shoot me or something and kill me? Is that what we're trying to say? It's Johnny_Donald? No, it didn't just fly into the window, mate. No, I want to know why you said they will catch you. What's that mean? Come on, explain. Yes? Oh, so that's what you... Oh, yeah, you...